Emotions can feel like a wild storm sometimes, but you can use your best self vision. Imagine your best self in your mind every time you're upset. This image helps calm the storm of emotions. Breathe deeply and start believing in your power. You are strong and capable of handling emotions. Think of a calm sea when you feel emotional waves. Anchor yourself by focusing on your breath. Believe in the strength and wisdom of your best self. Practice makes perfect. Keep your best self clear. In time, staying calm becomes second nature. Remember, you are in control, not your emotions. Seeing your best self helps build confidence. Confidence grows as you master staying calm. Stay true to yourself, even in emotional moments. Trust your best vision to guide you through. You're a captain steering through emotional waters. Keep your focus and navigate with confidence. Breathe, visualize, and stay true to yourself. Embrace each moment as a chance to grow. Every emotional wave is an opportunity to learn. Find tranquility by trusting your inner vision. Become a lighthouse in your own life. Let your best self be your guiding light. Every breath is a step toward calm. Smile because you are amazing and strong. Stay calm, stay true, and enjoy the journey. You've got this. Your best self is always ready. Cherish each step toward growing stronger every day. Share your calmness and strength with the world. Use your best self vision in all situations. Stay calm, stay true is your life's motto.